Voyons les verbes pronominaux aujourd'hui. C'est parti.
Reflexive verbs in French are verbs where the subject performs the action on itself. They are often used to describe daily routines, emotions, and personal actions. Reflexive verbs are always accompanied by reflexive pronouns. Let's see some of the common reflexive verbs.
Se réveiller. Se laver. S'habiller. Se coucher. Se brosser. Se dépêcher. Se reposer. Se promener. S'appeler. Se lever. Se doucher.
Let's see what are group of reflexive verbs. Some verbs can be both reflexive and non-reflexive. For example,
Se moquer.
which means to mock oneself.
Moquer.
Means to mock someone. Reflexive pronouns.
Je me.
Means myself.
Tu te.
Means yourself.
Il se, elle se, on se.
Means himself, herself, itself, or oneself.
Nous, nous.
Ourselves.
Vous, vous.
Means yourself or yourselves.
Il se, elle se.
Themselves. Formation. To form a reflexive verb, you use the reflexive pronoun that matches the subject, followed by the conjugated form of the verb. The structure is subject plus reflexive pronoun plus verb, which is conjugated accordingly. For example,
Je me lave. Il se réveille.
conjugating reflexive verbs. Reflexive verbs are conjugated in the same way as regular verbs. After the reflexive pronoun, the verb must agree with the subject. Let's see an example for all the subjects with the verb.
Se laver. Je me lave. Tu te laves. Il se lave, elle se lave, on se lave. Nous nous lavons. Vous vous lavez. Il se lave, elle se lave.
Negative form. In negative sentences,
Ne pas. Place de ron the reflexive pronoun and the verb. Je ne me lève pas. Nous ne nous lavons pas.
some of the important notes while using reflexive verbs. Usage. Reflexive verbs are often used to describe daily routines, example waking up, getting dressed, or personal states and emotions. Placement of pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are placed before the conjugated verb. In affirmative commands, the reflexive pronoun follows the verb. For example,
Lave-toi.
negation. When forming a negative sentence with reflexive verbs, the pronoun goes between ne and the verb. For example,
Je ne me lave pas.
agreement in the past tense. When using reflexive verbs in the passé composé, the past participle must agree in gender and number with the subject, unless the verb has a direct object. For example,
Elle s'est lavée. Ils se sont lavés. Elle s'est brossé les dents.
mistakes to avoid while using reflexive verb. Forgetting the reflexive pronoun. It is incorrect to write
Je lève à 7 heures.
without the reflexive pronoun. The correct form should be
Je me lève à 7 heures.
incorrect placement of reflexive pronouns in negative sentences. It is incorrect to write
Je me ne lève pas.
the correct form should be
Je ne me lève pas.
incorrect agreement of the reflexive pronoun. It is incorrect to write
Nous se levons. Use the correct pronoun which match the subject.
the correct form should be
Nous nous levons.
past tense agreement. Forgetting to make the past participle agree with the subject. It is incorrect to write
Ils se sont lavés.
the correct form should be
Ils se sont lavés.